Namaste. The last session, the part 1 video, I was discussing something about on meditation. This video we are going to discuss what are the types of meditation, what is it, how to meditate, when to meditate, where to meditate, variety of meditations. The meditations are divided into two parts. One is a passive meditation that is called as a spiritual meditation. The another one is called as active meditation. Active meditation is nothing but scientific meditation. The passive meditation, you can go very nearer to the God, get the self-realization, what for you have come into the world, what is the purpose of coming into the world, and karma and all other things you come to know. You become clairvoyant. What do you mean by clairvoyant? The passive meditation will take you or will get you the realization, and you will be able to know about something about the past, present and the future. You get the jnana, that is passive meditation, spiritual. If you get into the active meditation or scientific meditation, you will be able to fix up some goal, and by doing that active meditation, you will be able to achieve your goal, create miracles. I have told you meditation is going to the subconscious level or alpha stage. In other way, calming down the mind and concentrating on something, getting the things done. Passive as well active, you have to go to the subconscious level. Conscious level, there are three types. One is a conscious level. I am talking, you are listening. This is conscious level. Subconscious level, you go to the sleep-like state, not the sleep state. You go to the sleep-like state. You feel that you are in the sleep-like state, but awareness will be there. This is alpha stage. Neither sleep state nor you are conscious. That is called meditative state or alpha state. The next state is clairvoyant, that is go to the super conscious level. Okay, all these things by practice, day by day, you gain the concentration and you reach the upper level. By sitting for 20 minutes or 30 minutes a day or two or for a week, it is impossible to get all these things. Only by regular, all spiritual and all other scientific active meditations will be achieved only by practice. Okay. Before talking about the method of meditation, how to meditate, I will tell you the prerequisite condition for doing meditation. First we will take it up the spiritual meditation, then we will go to the active meditation. Spiritual meditation, there are 125 to 140 varieties. Different gurus teach different type of meditation. Like in a country, there are plenty number of rivers are flowing. The ultimate destination is the river will merge with the sea. That is the ultimate thing. Like that, whichever guru teaches whatever type of meditation, the ultimate result will be going to the super conscious level. This passive meditation, there are two types. One is self-guided meditation, another is guidance will be given by the guru or by the external force, and you will be able to meditate on that. I will explain in detail the subsequent this thing. Okay, what are the prerequisite condition? How you have to do meditation and this thing, what are the conditions? Number one, to do this passive meditation, you have to select a place. The place should be very calm, very quiet. There should not be any disturbance. It should be very clean, neat, and the meditation point, the place of meditation should not be changed every now and then. If you do meditation today, the same place you got to meditate tomorrow. Or fix up one or two places and you can switch over only to those places. Wherever you like, you cannot sit and do meditation in the primary stages. Once you become very prominent and you become expert in doing the meditation, wherever you want, you can do it. The meditation area, it should be a four-walled enclosure. There should be some roof. Don't meditate in the open field. Only the sannyasis and great gurus and the people who has renounced the world, they sit outside and do the meditation. I will tell you the reason why you should not meditate outside. Okay? Then asana. What is the posture? The recommended posture is Padmasana. If you are unable to put Padmasana, you can put Sukhasana. Or if you are unable to sit on Padmasana or Sukhasana, you can sit in a chair and put both of your foot on the floor. The right foot should lay on the left foot. The left foot should touch the ground. Both of your fingers are clasped together like this, and it should be put in between the thigh. This is a comfortable posture. And your dress should be, there should not be any tightened this thing. It should be loose. You have to loosen your belt. And remove all the gadgets, like whatever this thing you have, cell phone, that has to be switched off. Your mobile should be compulsorily switched off or kept in the silent mode. If you have any alarm fixed, that has to be removed from the place. No disturbance. Nobody should come and call you or disturb you. These are the prerequisite conditions. Sit in a comfortable posture, close your eyes and concentrate with the breath, inhalation and exhalation. Okay, concentrate. The next video, the part 3, I am going to describe how to meditate. Namaste. Thank you.